Park number 3 and hotel.
Animal Kingdom, baby. There were other lands. We've got one fast pass.
For safari.
Safari.
It's still 1,000,000 degrees.
You hold it.
It's still it's still a, there.
Yeah.
Still 1,000,000 degrees. 93.
So yeah, Animal Kingdom, we are off to safari, and then we're going to see if we can get a cheeky flight passage, or at least see how long the queue is. So,
probably this time of night. It's kind of a good idea to come this time of night anyway, because it's cooler.
And we're going to see all the lights.
Entering is called the Little Aturi Forest. All the animals that we're going to be seeing in here are commonly found in forest areas. So keep a close eye out, because sometimes they like to use the act of natural camouflage to hide. Brush and hide, and their coats will act as a natural camouflage. We have an okapi. A lot of people think that the okapi is related to a zebra because of the stripes that are found on its legs, but it's not. It's actually the closest known relative to a giraffe. The way that you tell the difference in the genders in the okapi is by their heads. The males will have 2 bumps on their head called ossicones. A lighter brown colored antelope, and that's a greater kudu. The greater kudu are one of the largest antelopes. Now those are female. The way that you can tell is by the fact that they do not have any horns. The males are going to have horns that grow out to 6 feet. There is a magical quality behind taking it, but if you think about it, now it's very rare to ever see a giraffe laying down out in the wild. That is because it does take them a little bit to get back up, so they will only...
£50 Minnie and Mickey box set, limited time. They're very cute. That's the authentic one, isn't it, Mickey and Minnie? Great. We just popped into the shop as we were walking past to get some aircon, and now we're off to Rainforest Cafe to have some food, and then we're going to come back in and do some nighttime walking around the park nighttime.
Which we hadn't done.
Yeah, not for... Oh, squirrel!
Sorry, my old dog.
Oh, it's still very hot as well, which is amazing for me. Melting for JP. We're doing it. Rainforest Cafe. We're both really burnt today. Hot today. So Rainforest Cafe at Animal Kingdom, and then we're going to go back in the park.
Like we just said.
No, you're good. I don't. She's on set. I know. It was 46. So we're going to get the volcano chicken and shrimp, which just looks delicious. We were going to go for the tacos, and then we're going to go for the Korean spicy stir-fried chicken. Lovely. And tonight we're drinking for the first time in many years because we're staying on property. So we can have a little drink, get the bus home. It's really exciting. I feel naughty. I got
don't have a drink.
mojito. I know. Yeah, really naughty.
It's one of the facts, right? We've been driving.
Yeah, it's good. It's a good thing to do. So our dinner has just arrived and it looks delicious. It looks delicious, guys. It smells amazing. Food is going down slowly. Very filling. very spicy and oh my god, the flavours are awesome. Whereas this one, the shrimp and the chicken's a little bit okay, not to my palate. I prefer this one, but it's a bit too spicy for me. But it's got so much flavour, it's delicious. What do you think?
Out of my mouth is so numb. This is lovely. Both are nice.
Yeah. Oh, it's closed.
Right. Pandora at night.
Yeah. How dark
Can I see
it is.
Kippy?
So the time
With her sunburn, I can't actually see her.
9 o'clock-ish. And look how dark it is. The sound.
It's very loud.
Amazing.
It is very loud.